Hey guys, it's me on Crystal channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some new toys. I actually unboxed two toys already. Look, they're so cute. Look, it's like a bear. It's very cute. And it's like I don't know, just so cute. Then now we got this froggy, so cute too. That's what it's doing. Oh my god, I love the frog. So today we're gonna be unboxing two more that I haven't showed you guys. First we're gonna unbox this fruity bubble. Like this one. I don't know what's this really. And then raisin grape. So we're gonna be trying this at the end of the video. So let's continue. So now we have this. We got this. It's a Barbie doll. It's actually very cool. Like this one you can open here, and there's like something like, can you see it? It's like purple, and then you can make pizza and you can put. Oh my god! Let's open this now. So let's see how you open it. Oh no! I don't know how to open this. Oh, here I found it. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't open. It's okay. Okay, let's go get some things to open this. Okay. So I got my scissors right here. I'm going to cut it because it can't come out. I just need to make it go down. Yes. Now I can unbox. It comes back to this is so hard to unbox. Struggles. Okay, now we must open the other side. It's just gonna be the same thing all over. Actually, I'm just gonna use my scissors to stab it. Come out, box. We can just go all the way down. Yeah, we got it. I'm gonna put my other toys right here. Okay, so we got it down. That was great and awesome and very hard. Oh, it's so wet. Oh, Louis, I cannot talk. Ow, my nose. It's so itchy. Let's just paste this here. That would be good. And the last, Scotch tape. And guys, I'm going to have surgery one day. Guys, if you've never seen me ever again, please go hit the thumbs up. I really want to get to 1 million subscribers. So, I don't have any more breath. Okay, let's just continue. Oh, I got the pizza thing out. This is stuck for some reason. I'm getting it. Yay, they're all coming out. Whoa, look. Let me paste the cupcake right here. Here. Okay. So now, I'm gonna take this thing out by just snipping and snapping. Oh, it's hard. Oh, yeah. Let's put that here. Don't care about that. Oh, look at this. It's so big. Okay. Let's put this down here for a little while. So now, I'm gonna take one by one out to show you. Okay, so now, first let me just put them all out. Oh my god, yeah, so small it must be. So just over there. I'm putting them all. And the big one. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this big one. The biggest thing in the set. Okay, so first we have this thing. So let me just put this right here. Okay, so first we got this thing. I don't know how to call it. Oh my god, where can I put this? Oh, give me one moment. Okay, I'm back, guys. I can put you up here. Okay, so first we got this. It's so cool. Actually, no. I can just put it like that. Ugh. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so first we have this toy. Angle it properly. This, you can't see my face. Okay, let's just do this like this. Okay, so first this is the first toy. This first accessory will like lots behind me. Just do this. Got it. I got it, so okay, I'll just put this right over here. Okay, I'll put this here. Okay, so first we have this set. It's a pizza set, I think. Then here, I don't know what this is. Okay, so first we have this set. So here we can like put our pizza. Let's just put this right here. And then we got this big pizza right here. Why is it not putting in? Okay, so now first we have this. It's actually a small pizza, which we can put over here. So first we have this. We got this, all of these things. We got a big pizza. We got 2 small slices of pizzas, and we got a tiny water. Yeah, we got like this water thing. Oh, actually I show you wrong side. Sorry guys. We can put it right here. Oh, it's so hard to put. Okay. Now we got 2 of this. It's the same. We got 2 that is crazy. We will put this right. Okay, whatever. It's so hard to put. Okay, finally. So now we got this. Then here we got some materials, like we got this cutter. Oh yeah, sorry guys, it's called a cutter. You can just like cut it like that, which that is very cool. Look, oh, this keeps on coming out. Okay, so you can just cut the pizza like that. Okay, put this back. Ow. What's this? Got another one. Okay, then now we have this. So small. Okay, so we can open the cupboard and we can put it inside here. And then now we got this, like this thing. I don't know what it's called, but you can scoop up the pizza like that and you cut it. I don't know what it's called though. Sorry guys. And then we can open it and put it right here. Then we have, I don't know what's this, a spatula. So wait, actually I'm gonna lie down because it's so uncomfortable like that. I'm gonna put you guys right over. Where should I put you guys? I'll put you guys here. Okay, like that. This is not a good lighting at all. Oh my god. What do I do? Oh, I got an idea. I'm doing this very badly. Here will be all the coins. If I put it. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now we got this. So now we got this spatula, whatever this is called. I like how it's purple. It even says Barbie, if you can see. And I don't really know how to put this, but it's very cool as you can see. Oh, we can put it right here. Right here. We can't put it like that. That's too big. Okay, so we can put it like this. Oh. We can put it like. We can put it like this. So now we are done with this. So let's just organize it a bit. So first, let's open this. Oh yeah, this is open. I usually see YouTubers do this. Oopsies. Okay, so we got these two. As you know, here you can open it and close it like that. It's quite easy. Everybody knows that. I bet you guys also know because you are smarter than me, right? Yeah, I heard you say yes, you're smarter than me. But if you're not smarter than me, then leave this video a like. But nobody is smarter than me. Nobody is not smarter than me. Wait, what am I saying? Nobody is not smarter than me. Nobody is smarter than me. I don't get what you're saying. You just are smart people. So now we have this and this, which I show you already. So now we're just gonna open this drawer and we're just gonna and this one. Okay, so now we'll close it like that. And then now we will open right here. Wait. Oh, and I forgot to show you. This is, you can actually put your pizza. You can put your pizza in here. That's so cool. Look, my pizza is in there. Okay, so now we can put. We can put the drinks. Okay, so here when we open, it's like a fridge, so we can just put the drinks over here. Ta-da! And and we can put the other drink over here. Oh my god. Okay, yes. And then we can put the pizza. We can put the pizza on the table. And then we can put this here and we can close it. So now everything is closed. So I think that's the end of the video. So, oh wait, and last thing, we must put this spatula over here. Okay, so I think that's the end of the video. Let me just put this back where it belongs. So today's the end of the video, but remember, we're going to try out this thing. It's so cool. Look, it's so cool. Do you think you really can eat it? Wait. Just peel add water, dip and wave. What does that mean? Okay. Okay, I guess we can eat this if I die. Okay. So we got 2 packets, I think, so let's go to the kitchen and open this because it's gonna get messy, of course. Let's get this stand so you guys can see the experience. Open the toy, which is gonna be an explosion of things. Put you guys there. So get where you guys want it when you guys Okay, so now we got the toy over here. Let's just open this to see what happens. Whoa! Okay, here's the instructions. So, what's this? So you peel something off, which I don't know. I think you peel this off, whatever this is, and then you pour the water. I don't know. Oh, you put it like this. I think you put it like this. But mine is dirty though. Mine's got all these junk. How do you make this clean? There's only one way. You just take all the water and just bleh. You know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe you don't because I'm not smart. You guys are smart. Okay. I'm trying to peel all of them off. So if you think I'm slow, I'm so sorry. Just trying my best here. Okay, and that's all we can get. Yeah, that's all we can get. Okay. Okay, this is as much as I can. And you just like this. Oh, I get it. You must peel this off. Then you just pour some water. Oh, okay. You take this off. You pour this liquid, whatever this is called. Is this the water? What does it smell like? Oh no, I don't know how to feel about that. Am I supposed to pour all? Okay, let's just try this. I'll just get the scissors and we'll just do this. Okay, I need help. I don't know what I'm doing. Read the instructions here.
But this one got bubble one eh.
Yeah, this one got bubble.
Then how you gonna play?
Pour the bubble now.
Then play where?
Play there.
Then everywhere is all bubble.
Then play in the toilet. Let's try this.
You have to put like that.
Okay. So pour the water. But what if it's actually not edible? Then I go drink
Who
it.
say edible?
You can.
Who say? Where?
I don't know. I thought you can drink it. Or maybe not.
Can you make 100 ml of water?
What's 100 ml of water?
100 ml.
Take
Drink cup.
Take this.
Ah,
Okay.
I just give me 100 ml.
What is 100 ml?
100 ml. Look lah, look for 100 ml.
200.
100 ah.
Let's pour it. Yeah, around 100 ml. I'm using the water. Which one? Whoa. Did it say it's edible?
No lah.
How? Whoa. Whoa.
You off that one.
Okay. Bye guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. And make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notifications bell. Bye.
Oh,
Oh,
show.
show.
Is it there? Like go there.
Let me turn this over. Oopsies. Okay. So we are in the toilet and this is the thing. I'm gonna blow on it. Okay.
You have to shake.